What's up, y'all? Today I'll be installing a USB port into my Ninja Kawasaki 400. I've never done this before. It's actually probably the second mod I'll ever do to this bike other than these little shorty levers that were pretty easy to install. But if I can do this, you can do this too. I got the Amazon USB port, and it comes with these wires, and I also bought a relay that you need. I know I have to do something to the end of these wires, but for now we're just gonna record a few of the steps. First things first, you just have to remove this little guy. I used a screwdriver. This looks really loose right now, but I had already taken it out. And these are more flared out, so it's actually really stuck in there. I just bent them to be able to put them back in and take it out for the video. Anywho, that comes off pretty easy. And then have to look for this little thing here that pretty much holds these two little wires together. That's where your relay is gonna go. You're looking for something like this, pretty much. And he's tucked in here. So I'm gonna attempt to pull him out. And there he is. This is what you're looking for. And that's what you'll install your relay to. So I'll grab my relay. And I'm not quite sure which way it goes, but I'm assuming there's a little tab there. And there's a little tab here. So I'm hoping it goes this way. And I'm gonna try to do this with one hand. Doesn't fit that way, so I'm gonna try this other way. Maybe not. Back to the other way. There it goes. And you just wanna flip that in. I think it's in, maybe? I don't know. All right, let me put this phone down and come back. All right, so there it is. I had it the right way. I just had to put some ass into it, and it clips into that little clip right there. There is a, well, actually, there's not a little hook to hook that on. I feel like there's something where you can hook it on so it's not just flying around everywhere, but I can't see it right now, so we would just let it be for now. I didn't have to take the fairings off or anything to access this.
Hi, what are you doing?
Actually, I found a little clip. There's a little clip right there next to that other little switch. As you can see my finger on it, and it's where I'm gonna hook this guy into. And he just sits there out of the way and is meant for it. Cool, the relay is in, and the next few cords I'm looking for, connectors, are these little guys. I believe those guys you'll be using to connect these guys into. But I need to fix that. But you take your plus and your minus and you hook them up from this side on here. I'm gonna go fix these wires. I'll be right back and show you the rest. All right, guys, that took way longer than I needed to, but I just switched out these guys from the other ones that they came with originally. I needed them to fit these little connectors here. Anywho, you take your USB port and reconnect your positive and negatives, red to positive and black to negative. So then it looks like that. And I'm just gonna feed these guys through here. And before I even set it down where it needs to be, I'm just gonna take them and hook them into here. See if they work. So you take your red and you hook it into here. Takes a little bit to just really jam it in there, but it goes in eventually. And then you take your other one and you hook it up to this one. And I don't have my keys, so I'm gonna go get them right now. Be back. All right, so moment of truth. Does it work? Heck yes, it works. Thank goodness, because I wouldn't know what to do if it didn't work. Anywho, I'm just gonna stick all these wires in, and you can worry about making it pretty or not. I am not worried about that. This one just so happens to twist on, or you can jam it in. Did I pick it up? Nope. Just push the off button. And do a little bit of twisting and turning. And there it is. Push button on, push button off. And there it goes. Super easy install. I think switching those connectors was more of a headache than not, or really just trying to figure out if they were gonna work or not, because I am pretty slow. But I got it done, and now I have somewhere to charge my phone when I need to. Super cool. If I can do it, y'all can do it. Thanks for watching, guys.